The treetop object can be found under SASSE Library, Assets, Objects. We can just drag and drop it in our scene. And this is like the foliage planes, but more. This is, whereas the foliage planes were a sphere that would instance a number of planes inside or around it, this is a sphere that instances a number of foliage plane spheres on it. So this can give you a different look. It's a much more full look, but it's also a much more performance intensive look. So if you just can't get the look that you want out of the foliage planes, you can instance them together in this pre-made object for the tree topper. If you need to adjust any foliage plane settings, you can click on the object here, and inside this hidden collection, we can assign the facing object just like we did before. It has a slightly different effect here with the individual plane spheres turning around one another, but it's kind of an interesting effect. And like the others, you can change the material here, any of the colors there, and then the treetop itself has its own setting. So you can have multiple different foliage planes if you wanted, say, different kinds of leaves or different shapes or something. You can have a number in this foliage collection that you can choose from, and then density up or down will determine how many of these tree planes or the foliage planes you're spawning for this treetop. Again, seed, give you some wildly different results, as will scale.